Today, we're talking about why mortgage forbearance might not be the best idea for you. Let's get into it. Okay, so a mortgage forbearance agreement is actually a form of a loan default. So based on temporary hardship, it does allow you to make reduced or no payments during the term of the agreement. Even though the servicer may not require proof of hardship, which is based under the CARES Act, the program is not designed for us to use if we are able to make payments. Why? Well, let's talk about some of the downsides. While the forbearance won't affect your credit score, it will affect your credit profile. This means that you might be denied for a mortgage in the future. So whether or not you're wanting to refinance your current mortgage or get ready to purchase a new home, it might stop you from selling your home and getting approved for a new loan up to 6 to 12 months. So the other downside is that your payments are not necessarily tacked on to the end of your mortgage term. While it is possible, and it is one scenario you could talk about with your lender, the deferment is actually not usually tacked on to the end. So instead, it's more likely that it's going to be due at the end of the forbearance period in either a lump sum or possibly spread over a longer time frame, like a year. So if you're able to make your payment now, you really won't have saved any money. You'll just have a larger payment in a few months, and it will have affected your ability to obtain a future mortgage in the process. Okay, you're going to want to be aware of scams. Right now, there are scammers out there who are trying to get money out of people and take advantage of this horrible pandemic situation. So they are promising immediate relief from foreclosure. And here are a few signs to watch out for. So number one, if they are offering you counseling services and asking you for a fee, that's a red flag, because HUD has programs and agencies that are approved for zero fee services for counseling. And also, I mean, if you hear or read an offer that just seems too good to be true, it really probably is. A couple other warning signs is you never want to sign over the title of your home so that they can save your home. And so don't transfer the deed. Don't sign any papers in exchange for a promise that someone is going to pay off your mortgage for you. Never submit your mortgage payments to anyone other than your mortgage company. So they can't, no one can say, we will pay your mortgage off for you. You just pay us. Don't do that. Also, do not listen if they're saying you don't need a real estate professional or a title company involved. That's a red flag. And also, really just know who you're doing business with. If you don't know them, it's a big red flag. Definitely not trying to be a downer. I just like to get information out there so that you can make an educated decision on your situation. The forbearance program is there for a reason, and there is no shame in using it if you need to. It just might not be as rosy as it sounds. This is Kaylin Thewison with Colorado Landmark Realtors. My channel here is Real Colorado Real Estate, and I will be updating a lot of information here about our current situation in the pandemic, and also many, many other topics around real estate if you are interested in learning more.